we have a tape measure. Why? Because it makes things easier. Because we're working on this. We're going to show you what this measures out to be, what the fronts are, but let's start with the back. 12, so it says. Let's take it off. First things first, this cover. You have to pull the wings out and pop it out of your way. See these little tabs? You're locking the place right there. That's what you're pulling out. Good? Put in a safe spot. Now you can lift it up in your hands. Now, there's a little arm right there that locks it into place. So let's get it off with two hands, or maybe we can try with one. Very, very tight. Very tight, but it does swivel all the way out, and then you can pop it out. You see? Don't let it slam. So that is a certain angle you got to get to pop it back into place. You see? Weird little 45, and then you lock it back into place. Both hands, please. It's easy to put it on. It just locks back into place. Good? Good. Now, do the front. Get the cover back on. So you just gotta line it up. Come on. Done. Gap's even. Let's go to the front. Should have started here first, but we're gonna go and measure this one. 26er. Easy peasy. Let's see. No tools. You'll lift that little lid, pull towards you, and pull it out of its socket. Both hands. Okay, so it came apart, which is probably a good thing. So you can see what you're fighting. Okay, so what you're fighting is this little hook. See that little hook right here? Okay, now let's get this. Don't smash your windshield. So it popped upward. Okay, then I was able to pull the hook out. All right, so this little hinge sits back in the wiper. See? And then you put the arm back in. As you see what you're doing, the hook locks back into place. So much easier with both hands. All right, you see? You want to get this locked back into place. All right. So it will consider some fighting, but you can get it as you see. Both hands obviously easier, and then you slide it forward and lock it back into place. Let's see how much easier this passenger side is. We got a 16. All right. It should be the same, but probably just as hard. Pop this open, slide it, and then pop it out. Let's see. So here's what you're fighting. See that little, it's wider toward the end and sort of narrows itself down. That's what you're fighting. So getting it back in, that's what you're actually fighting to do, because it gets smaller as it goes in. You see, I sort of angle it, and then you lock it back into place. Good? Good. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.